Mommy Tang. Today I'm in Fort Lee, New Jersey. I'll be taking you to Soft Tofu House. That's right, tofu, protein, protein. Okay guys, so here we are, BCD Tofu House. This is really nice. Look at this, guys. They grew some pumpkins. So guys, when you first arrive here, they're gonna obviously sit you, right? They have other stuff too, but mainly tofu is their main thing. Okay, 주문할게요. 근데 제가 고기를 못 먹거든요.
여기는 고기 안 들어가고 이것만 빼면 돼요.
그래요? 야채 순두부 그냥 맹물로 되는 거죠?
하얗게.
하얗게. 그 다음에
맹물로.
네, 맹물로. 그거는 뭐가 있나?
드링크는
아, 녹차, 냉녹차 하나 주시고요. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to order, okay, you guys? When you come here, right, this is a special menu that they have, and obviously you could tell that it's a little expensive. This is what you're looking for if you're vegan, because this is the vegetable soon tofu, and this is the one that I'll be making vegan, okay? And if you come here lunch, the price, as you could tell, is $1 cheaper. And comes with rice already and a whole bunch of side dishes. The rice is plain. I'll show you in a little bit. So when you order your sundubu, you can ask if you want it white, less spicy, and regular or hot or dangerously hot. Today I order hot and plain, the white one for you, okay? 씨는 안 먹어요. 감사합니다. So they give you sanitizer, which is great. This is all included when you order, right? Now, they do change things up a bit, right? But not everything here is vegan, especially this anchovy is not vegan, so we can't be eating that. This is a squid, kind of kimchi kind of thing, also not vegan, so you can't be eating that. They also give you fish, which is not vegan, so you can't be eating that. They give you egg for the soup. You usually crack it inside your soup, but we can't eat that, so also take that away. So pretty much nothing here. Sadly, here kimchi is not vegan either, so you can't eat that. So the only thing that you're limited to, oh, and this is not vegan too, because they put some sort of crab meat. So the only thing that you could eat is pretty much broccoli at this point. So enjoy your rice and your soup and your broccoli, and you just, wait, I'm spitting. And just so, if you don't want to waste food, right? Obviously, I let them give it to me because I want to show you guys. But just tell them that you're vegan, you're vegetarian, you don't need these banchan, and you just need broccoli, okay? And they give you rice. So when you order the tofu, I'm cracking up on myself. Okay, so when you order the tofu soup, they're going to give you rice in a hot pot stone, which is this, okay? Let me open this and show this to you. Watch this. It's a stone pot. So you open this up. Ooh, see? It's plain rice. I'll show you how to eat them in a little bit, okay, guys? Okay, so some people don't like their soup or their rice hot, so they give you these 2 extra bowls, right? So you could scoop your rice out like so. Oh, thank you. Yes, thank you. So when you scoop the rice out, right, you'll see a whole bunch of rice stuck to the bottom of the stone pot. See, they come and pour the water for you, like so. Thank you. You scrape it out like this and then make it into kind of like a rice soup. And then you leave it on the side. Some people like it hot, some people like it a little cool, but you leave it out and you eat it, you know, whenever you want to. So that's that. So these vegetables make all different flavor, and this rice is plain even though there's sauce on top of it. But that's what it makes this bibimbap wonderful, because it blends it all in. It balances everything out together, you know, because the texture is there for all the vegetable. It is amazing. I had to do this right for you guys, right? So I asked the manager what was vegan, what was not. So you could order the vegetable tofu soup, which was vegetable sundubu, and I have it here white, right? But you could get it red. You can make it spicy and get it vegan as well. And there's another thing, it's called bibimbap, and also bibimbap is vegan here. You have to ask for it because they usually put meat and egg and everything. I'm going to be ordering 2 sundubu today, 1 white and then 1 red. The white one, it's very clean tasting. And obviously the tofu is really soft and vegetable. It has a little bite to it, you know? It has zucchini, broccoli, little bits of potatoes and carrots. So the white one, even though it's white, it has a lot of umami. So if you like nothing's too spicy or too like strong, the white one is definitely for you. But really, the red spicy is the one that you want to go for. This is a vegetable tofu soup, but I added mushroom. You could just ask for, can I add mushroom in there, right? Oh my gosh. This is like a sharp Parmesan cheese. This would be like mozzarella cheese, kind of. You know what I mean? They literally cook the rice and the soup on this pot. So when it comes out, they're really, really hot, you know? So it keeps your soup hot throughout the whole time you're eating it. It's like really hot. And my one and only panchan, broccoli, don't forget about that. This is the set. This is a set. It's not like the regular tofu that you get in a supermarket. It's a lot softer. It's like between silk, I guess, and regular tofu. It's very soft. Let me tell you a little bit about the story of this restaurant, okay? The CEO actually just recently passed away. It was a lady, right? I read it in the newspaper that her son used to love tofu soup, and they would go after church. I guess, you know, back in LA, they didn't have anything like this, and I guess the sundubu wasn't that good. So she said, okay, you know what? I'm gonna make something really yummy to specialize in this tofu soup. She made her first one in LA, I believe, in California somewhere. And people loved it so much. Now she has like, I think either 12 or 13 stores. She was such a nice CEO that when COVID-19 hit us, and the restaurant had to go out of business, you know, where they're closing, she gave benefits to all her employees. So they weren't like just stranded out, you know, with no job. So I think she had cancer. Yeah, she had cancer and she died. So it's kind of sad. And her recipe still lives, I guess. Guys, I gotta take this home. I can't eat it. Whew, it's too much for me. But I'm gonna finish my nurungji, because that's what I'm really here for, really. I'm here for the soup, but really I'm here for the nurungji. I love nurungji. Especially stone pot nurungji. Sometimes, when it gets really busy, they don't want you like scooping your spoon out of this stone pot, so they'll do it for you. They'll scoop all the rice and put it in this bowl, and they'll just give you that. But you kind of have to ask, say, I want to do my own. I think especially in New York City, they do that. Yeah. All right, I'll eat the tofu. Oh, like always, let me show you the neighborhood. And this, actually before COVID, there was no outside seating. It's just a lot of seating inside. But because COVID, they put seatings here so you could eat outside. I don't know what they're gonna do in winter. Make sure to check the description for all the info. BCD Tofu House for the location, hours, whatnot, whatever. In Korea, putting lipstick on the table, it's not a rude thing. I don't know, I think maybe in America, is it rude? I don't know. Thank you. So you could ask for to-go container. So you could take it home with you. They don't give you container for banchan though. You know, the only banchan that we have, they don't give you container for that. Yeah, I take it. Thank you. I do. Oh, you will do? Oh, thank you. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, they do have wine here and Korean beer. They have Korean liquor, okay? They have soju here. So it's not BYOB. Okay.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did.